It's not your daddy's lawnmower. It's probably not even your grandpa's lawnmower. It might be your great-grandfather's lawnmower, but it's most certainly a real mower. It's awesome, it burns calories, and it doesn't run on gas. So what are we doing today? We're gonna maintain it, we're gonna backlap it, and we're gonna make it nice and freaking sharp. What do we need to make it sharp? Pretty much nothing. We need this, this, and that. And it's called backlapping. Let's get to it. All right, here we are. So what we need to accomplish this is a backlap kit, which involves a backlap wrench, a brush, which you can get anywhere, and liquid sandpaper, which is essentially a lubricated grit. First, we're going to remove the C-clamp on either tire, depending on your model, remove the tire, and then remove the gear. Once we remove the gear, we're going to add that backlap wrench, and that is where we get the backlapping motion from, which will then go backwards for the motion of the ordinary operation of the reel mower in order to sharpen the blade. You don't even need to remove the push handle. However, this is a great time to look at your mower and how it works. It clearly uses the tires with a gear inside to use mechanical advantage to a smaller gear in order to create more RPMs on the real blades. This is pretty damn cool. The actual backlapping portion of this video, if you look in the description below, you will see a link to the backlap kit that I use for my manual reel mower. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this liquid grit, liquid sandpaper, lubricated grit, whatever. It's basically grease and sand. And we're going to apply that to each of these reels. My reel has 4 blades on it and a bed knife. You can see the bed knife is a horizontal piece down there below with the white label on it. The reel itself we will be spinning, and what we'll do is we will paste each blade so that we get a nice even coat along every surface. So when we begin the backlap process, we can sharpen every bit of these blades. Now that all surfaces are coated, go ahead and take your backlapping wrench, insert it into your mower, and begin the backlapping process. Remember to do a backwards motion from the normal operation of the reel mower. Do this until you're satisfied. You might need to use several coatings, and this is how you sharpen your reel mower. In order to check if you've done a proper job or not, take a piece of paper cut into strips and insert it along the bed knife and the reel. Rotate the reel against the bed knife and make sure that you're getting smooth cuts against the line of paper. Do this throughout the entire section of the mower. If you're getting clean cuts, you've done a good job. You can reassemble the mower and we are done. We're ready to mow. I hope you found this video informative. I hope it maintains your mower throughout the year. If you like this video, hit like, and if you want to stick around, hit subscribe. We'll see you next time.